Hello everyone! Welcome back to CantoHousewife. Today we're going to make some delicious bibimbap. Here's the ingredient list and it will yield 2 servings. Let's start off by making the sides. First, we're going to make the seasoned spinach. Fill the container with some warm water and add about 2 teaspoons of salt. Cut about an inch off the root of the spinach. Soak and rinse the spinach for a few times to ensure that the dirt, pesticides, and bugs are removed. Next, boil some water and add about 2 teaspoons of salt in the pot. Put the spinach in and cook it uncovered for about 30 seconds to 2 minutes, depends on the amount you put in. Once it's done, transfer it to the ice water bath to stop the cooking process. Squeeze the spinach to remove excess water and put them in a bowl. Add the salt, green onion, minced garlic, and sesame oil. Mix them well together. Next, we're going to make the sauté carrot. Wash a small carrot under cold running water. Use a vegetable peeler or your knife to peel off the skin. Julienne it to your desired size, roughly about the size of a matchstick. I have a spiral cutter, so I use that to cut the carrot instead. It's much faster and more even than cutting it by my own hand. Rinse the carrot with some clean water and drain them. In a pan, add the carrot and sauté it with some salt, chicken bouillon powder, garlic powder, and sesame oil. Next, let's make the seasoned bean sprouts. Same as the spinach, fill the container with some warm water and add about 2 teaspoons of salt. Add about 1 pound of bean sprout, rinse them multiple times, and discard any bad beans. Next, boil some water and add about 2 teaspoons of salt in a pot. Put the bean sprouts in and cook it uncovered for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's done, transfer it to the ice water bath to stop the cooking process. Squeeze the bean sprout to remove excess water and put them in a bowl. Add in a little of the sautéed carrot, sea salt, minced garlic, green onion, roast sesame seed, and sesame oil. Mix them well together. Lastly, we're going to mix some sautéed mushroom. Soak some mushroom with cold water for about an hour or more. If you're in a hurry, use hot water. Wash and drain the mushroom. You may cut them in smaller pieces if you would like. In the pot, add in the mushroom, some Maggi seasoning, and oyster sauce. Cook them for a couple minutes until they are soft. Next, let's cook the meat. Thinly slice some ribeye. You may use other cuts or even minced beef if you like. Marinate them with soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and minced garlic. Marinate it for at least 20 minutes. Add some cooking oil in the wok and cook the meat in medium-high to high heat. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes to thoroughly cook them. Next, cook an egg to your liking. I love my egg fried with bubbly egg white, crispy brown edges while the egg yolk is still runny. When you're done, season it with some salt and pepper. Alright, it's time to assemble the dish. I cooked my rice in the cast iron pan so it will be crispy at the bottom. But you can use cooked rice if you're in a hurry or don't want to watch over the pot. It does take a little more time to cook it in the pot and you have to watch over the fire, but I think it's totally worth it. Look at how pretty that crispy rice bottom is. Put the vegetable, meat, and egg on top of the rice. Serve it with some gochujang and voila, you just make yourself another easy meal. Alright, that concludes our video. If you'd like to see more videos, subscribe to our channel. And as always, have a bobalicious day!